Please check the earlier videos on text wrap. Select the shape and then go and select a gradient from the swatches panel. And you can also go to the gradient tool and then drag and modify that gradient. Select the move tool and then select another shape. It can be any shape. I'm using a circle, but go to edit and cut or edit and copy. And then go to edit and paste inside. And that vector shape then is placed inside that curve design. You'll notice that the curve and the text wrap doesn't change as you add these additional shapes. They're all inside. Hold down the Alt Option key to drag to create a duplicate. You can also change the colour of the background of the curve. You can also rasterise this design and apply filters. So with that design selected, go to Layer and Rasterise, and the entire thing will be then rasterised, that shape. And you can move it around. You can see it's now a pixel layer, and you can go to Filters and Blur, Gaussian Blur, and you can see the blur effect applied. You can modify the setting of the radius and click Apply, and you can see the text wrap changes. You can also apply other ones as well, such as Deform or Mirror. So Filters, Distort and Deform. You can create all kinds of weird and wonderful text designs by using text and deform. So just distort that shape. Now it doesn't wrap at this point. It only wraps when you click Apply. And you can see now the text is wrapped around that deformed shape. And if you duplicated that shape, it would also wrap around as well. Also, you can deselect the pixel layer. So you don't see the design, but you can see that the text is wrapped around it. Please check out my next video on the text wrap.